vie emi yo to ni. O ade.
Yo dale.
Oyo. For few months now, oyo na mi we emi ya ofi we ye. Na ya mi we a manager ni unari yo ma ya ba the city no ye. They on we are by ni e o monitor a manager ni try no feeling with you or a manager or man I don't really understand.
Daddy, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand, you need to understand, my dear. If you think back and go and rehearse everything, we are monitoring our file. Interest a company, a capital, a manager. Last 2 months, he hold him a paying workers. It was the capital which I worked there. That is the money we used to pay.
Daddy, I'm trying to make money.
No. Hey, my dear. You make money. Oh, Sani, mommy, near Harry way, you make money. Well, am I making fresh money? That's my money. The money in the one you talk. There's no new client. The life doesn't go like that.
Well, that is not my fault. I try my best.
Then whose fault?
I do my best.
Whose fault? You need to understand that I'm not complaining. Then I'm still complaining, my dear, because we a certificate of well Nigerian we are finishing school. I was so impressed. That is the reason why, in a way, you have to be there for me because on what can you invest in? Do I result of winning? Or show where ogele mwayo a penny. And the man in Africa, na bribe that Africa they to your block when you are with the away. This is Europe. But what I'm saying in my company or my correspond with a degree in where they mean.
That I still can't understand what you are trying to say.
You're supposed to understand, my dear. Last 2 months. Capital Maya pay salary. Capital Maya pay salary. Even if you want you talk, Osan Wasi Aya pay salary. There's no new customer. Even the old customer, they are dropping.
It's not my fault.
But it's your fault. The manager ni na rewani. No gani manager ni. No, we again even things we are going fine more than this. I work hard. Me normally ye school in where you in a certain building company to that level. It's not easy.
Daddy, let me understand something here. Are you not preferring another person than your daughter? Who are you talking? Who are you praising now? You are praising what is it called? That Martis that always. Do you ever see is his father that holds the company? I'm trying my best. You have to praise me because I'm trying my best.
My dear, your best is not enough. You are contradicting this issue here, right? Mary Martins, Peter.
That is what is annoying me most. You always praise that boy Martins. You always praise him.
You are trying to close that company, you know. How? Okay,
That is what I don't understand because we always make money. I check the accounts. I always check my
That is my money. So okay, since 1 year now, even new customer Beacon we me running. Osanroto we
That is not. It is not my fault.
Look, it's not your fault. The new people we are employed now, my dear, watch out. Watch what? Out. If you think you are smarter than every other person, no. Let me tell you one thing. A lizard tail will always look like the one of crocodile, but he can never compare himself with crocodile. You are my daughter. What I'm saying while sitting down here is more bigger than what you see when you climb a rock tree. Try to understand what I'm saying. If there's any other thing behind it, you better be one.
Daddy, what I want to let you know, give me some credit here. Praise me at least.
How?
You don't praise other person more than your own daughter.
I will praise him that did a very good job, not you that you are bringing the company down. You are bringing that company down because there's no income. You haven't given me anything like credit there.
The people you employ before I came in,
Yeah.
they are not smart enough. They don't know what is business.
But they were smart.
I will appreciate that if you can just let them just take their acts. Let put other people.
There you are, my dear. Let me tell you, if you think that you are smart, and your father is smarter than you, because what you don't know is this. I understand exactly what is going on. While sitting down here in my phone, I can tell you everything that is going on there. Physical or spiritual, I am your father. You cannot tell me what I know. If you think I will sack those boys, no. It is you. I will change your position so that that place will be higher. Making a ragon. No, we work close a company or email. No back. Who will be yellow here? No, yesi. They want work by your school. No more mean when I hold well of here. You fail. You fail. You fail. Or one no fear ignia bono cocaine at all. You see those boys. He money at the beer. You know. Neither did the Torres Stella and Ronnie. Neither did the Torres Stella Ronnie. If you can be complaining these boys like this, working out, it's short Torres Stella anyway, we only want it. My dear, you better change. You better change.
I can see the reason why those people, they are not respecting me. When I ask them to do something, they are not respecting me. They don't do it the way I want it.
My dear.
When I try to talk to them, they will always refer to your father was not like this. Your father give us that. All those kind of things, I don't want it, and I don't like it.
Kate.
You are putting it down before them.
As I'm talking, I order you to remain silent and get out from here. Immediately.
I'm sorry, Daddy, but it's the truth.
Shut up, man.
Press your daughter for once. I'm
Daughter.
trying. Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Anything?
Yeah, ma'am. So how are you? How are you enjoying the new office?
Am I enjoying the new office?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm doing great. It's fine.
Okay. Please, with all due respect, I don't know if you'll be able to. I would have loved you to have lunch with me this afternoon after work.
To have lunch with you?
Yeah.
For what?
I don't mean any harm, just to have lunch with you.
For what?
What?
Have lunch with you for what? I don't understand. How dare you? How dare you go to my office to come and have lunch with you? In where?
No, I was just trying to extend my good
Trying
gesture.
to do what?
My good gesture, man.
Did I ask for it?
You know, in this office, we have been functioning like that. We do one thing together with everybody. We don't keep malice in this office, man. And as you understand, your daddy also made you to understand that I should be with you and make you to understand how the company is going. I already wanted us to
Let
go out
me
for
warn
lunch.
you. Let me warn you. That was my dad. And I make it clear to you that in my time, everything is different. And I don't know who gave you the gust to come to my office and go out with you to go and have lunch. In where? In that dirty place that you people, I don't know what you eat there. The nonsense you people eat there. How dare you?
Without due respect, man, I didn't mean any harm. Okay?
And let me send a warning to you. Let today be first and last that you repeat this nonsense.
Okay, man. Thank you.
God, what nonsense! I don't blame him. Look at the privilege my father just gave to him, a son of a nobody. Come into my office to come and ask me for lunch. Oh my God. Anyway. Wow. I know what to do.
The nose mask is masteria no we have no. Uko na afọ na maya ekeni aka mu ne mi ameri ya mu mi agbebo. Logo we la ya gbe. Yo. Ya kana television yo to. Ege ni mana haje na gide kana na wa gun akana. Ma ya to. Sabe se o sa gi we ni o ya bi. Arriba aí. E Kate arriba. Kate. Okay.
Sir, Daddy.
Larry.
Daddy, boy.
Boa. É, eu. Okay, daí eu é que não. So you will here. La ya mo ere nwani mo ko se obe. Yo. Sayo. Mario, yedo emi aya se anyo. Ogi redo o magi redo ni ase. Ọmọ èyí tí o bá ẹ̀yìn náà kìnnà wọ́n mú àríyágún ọ̀sì yémi náà èwú iho ẹ̀wọ̀n tàná iho ni mèye kwan ìyẹn wíkẹ́ yàwó ìyẹn ìrìn ìyàwó bí wà mí àdèmọ́ ya fẹ́ ní bí ẹ́ nọ́ọ̀wé yàwó ìgètùmá olórí ìwáyé ẹ̀rọ ìgètùmá ẹ̀mí náà dàn lóhùn dá àgbọ̀nyá àwárá ẹ̀ nọ́ọ̀sì moto maria ami makaliki moto lẹ́yìn o se ni pin abona ina pa mo se na egese lórí e odo lukunya o meri imi ọmọ ewe ya mo re o egese mo.
Dad, getting married is not, I can't just go to the streets. Iwa pike. No. I suppose ni gwale ni like. Ni gwale ni love. I need to look for the one love.
Omo. E o gi o mi. E na you say gbe go alo. Kebe igo na mu yo ko un a wa yo to. No ya yere ya o ewe egbe ni kere mama ya o yo we go na amu yo bi ma won e ma ya ma ri odori odono enegbe eyi gwaro we kia seti khami mewe unu we zo se na nu musise we wo pe agwegwa ra won soko ra won soko ya ora yiri o rere kamari digwa emi ra iwu.
Dad, is not about that. There are many men, but you know, the family I came from, many men want just to, because of that money, they want to run after me. That is not what I'm looking for. I need true love. You only need God, you are not going to wear me.
You don't need true love. Need true love, no. Come on. No, we are not going to you son. What a gas ya be catch. Wo wa ti eyin.
Daddy.
Na mi ho. Gbo ni wa lo wa na arai ai awa nda. Oku no ndo pe afi ekun se ya bi eno pe ani. Ndo pe afi ekun se ya bi eno rere. Oku ni wa ewu yan pa ko mo ni. Wa mo ga bi gbo ni. Ni wa ni kan ma we egese ri o pe are ego ege iyu egi ege mai mu pa amuwere ari ege ngo.
Okay, Daddy.
Hey, other one na
but I have to look for the man that will love me. Not because of my money, not because of my father money.
The man that will love me. Yeah, come on, we need ya you.
That was old days now. You can't compare that time to this time.
That time to this time, Ninya. No why Jerry and that time my aqua you talk. Now you have you one ya. I'm a living your pan my hang over ye. Kiri gua. Gua. It don't colo. I very good again. I call you one. Who was up there? Why we was able.
And then all you say no one be again me. Yeah, you marry.
I don't be that. In my day when I tell you.
Daddy, yadi re.
Ah, yadi re.
Yeah, we move.
Yadi re. My man, uti ya fulefe.
I will make you proud, Daddy. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Proud. Make you proud.
Yadi re.
Oh my, I will
What's Daddy? Where's the Daddy?
Oh, for me. Wow, Pepe soup anyway, you are of your own.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh.
You hereby continue. I can't continue with you. I can't continue with you. I'll be telling you all this thing. I'll be telling you, don't know me, don't ever come and lie. I'm fed of this, what I've been warning you about since. I've been warning you, change your way, the way you live. I don't like it. Look at what is going on now. I don't know you, you don't know me. Don't ever come and lie. This relationship is, I just end it now.
For matter. Oh boy, I don't go agree for this school. For this school. Oh, cool. That go hear word now. Not be like. We work here. Don't worry, eh? Once we finish exam, then we know the way we take care of the land. My even I have finished on here. I don't come out.
I begin to love this Mattis. It's not like Roland. Roland is very arrogant. Doesn't take his studies serious. How am I going to present that to my father? It can't work. And this Mattis, the way he behaves, so calm, very gentle. I've insulted him so many times. He's still very gentle to me. The way he talks is presentable. And another thing, I think my father will also like him if I present it to my father. God take control. I just have to make a choice. Roland is out of it. I can't present that to my father. How am I going to ask him to go out with me now for lunch? I've insulted him so many times. Well, let me call him. Then we'll go for lunch. I think I can start with that. Hello, Mr. Martis. See me in my office. Now. Okay. I think my father would be happy to see him as son-in-law. Come in.
You sent for me, ma?
Yes, sit down. How are you?
I'm fine. Is there anything you want
What
me
are
to
you doing?
I'm busy charging the device.
Okay, you can leave that for now. I want to go out for lunch. I want you to go with me.
Should go with you
Yeah,
for lunch.
yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah,
Anything for you, ma?
go and read your tape. Go on, let's go. Calm down. Everything's okay. Okay?
It's alright.
Calm down. I can see you are still a little bit shaking. Oh yeah, go and arrange your table. Let's go. Okay?
It's okay, ma.
You have no choice. Okay? Let me off this. Okay. Okay. I think I'm okay today.
Kate, hope you enjoy the food.
Stop this, madam. My name is Kate.
Okay. Kate, hope you enjoyed the food.
Yes, I enjoyed the food. It was nice.
Thank you.
I know you were very shocked when I asked you to go out with me for lunch.
Yeah. I was thinking maybe something has came up again, so I decided to say, okay, let me go and see what's going on.
Mr. Martis.
Yeah.
Come closer. Okay. I just want to tell you that I'm sorry for everything I've been doing to you in the office. Turning you down, so harsh on you, so many things. I just want to let you know that from the bottom of my heart, I'm so sorry. I'm telling you I'm sorry today.
Really? It's alright, there's no problem. Like you are saying, I didn't have anything against you. You see, there is a word that says we have rights to our own different characters, and I understand, especially in this kind of position that you are the boss. You definitely want to do things your own way. So I never saw it like you were punishing me or whatever. It's just that what I felt for you, that is why I came close to say, if I can be closer to you, that is the only way I can achieve my goal and make your father happy. Because you know, the other day your father told me when you were introduced as the CEO, your father made me to understand that I should be there all the time for you. So that is what I was trying to do. It's not like what we were doing was not good or whatever. I never had anything against you.
Okay, and And I also want to thank you for everything, your support, your dedication to the company. Thank you so much. I personally, I really appreciate it.
Yes.
And another thing, there is something I learned from my father. I know I'm the CEO.
Yeah, you are.
I am the CEO. But then, that doesn't mean that I should be doing all sorts of things. I learned something from my father. If my father, who owns the company, who started the company, can be so friendly with the people that he employs, I have to change my way. So today, I'm just telling you that everything I've done to you, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for your dedication. Even at that, you still keep on doing your best. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You see, like you are saying, your dad. We are not seeing your dad as our boss or as the chief executive of the company. We see him as our father because he took us as his children.
Yeah.
At times we go to his house when we were away schooling. We go to his house, we sleep there, we sleep over. At times we go there, he gave us food. He has been our father.
Yeah.
So the least we could do, or the least we could do for him, is to make sure that the company continues the way he will be joyful.
Yeah.
So I'm happy. I'm also happy. If I tell you I'm not, I'm just trying to brag over it. I'm very, very happy to see that you are smiling with me now. I will be able to say today I'm fulfilled. So
Okay.
Get this.
Thank you so much. Let's go back to work.
Get this. So
Okay.
They just went to manager. I only female tele.
What that? How is this kid doing how you talk?
I'm very cool. Hey, respectable. What about you? I'm very changes the way. Hey, you talk very respectable. You don't get it. That's very nice. That's very nice. Was the office office now to maybe so Mrs. Kate, CEO officer. Then no balance. No small work now. Let's see lunch. No, lunch. Oh man. You are around. Okay. All right. Okay. Later.
That dress you were talking about, I saw it on one Italian shop. Let me show it to you. That Balenciaga. Let me show it to you. I saw it on one Italian store. I think you will love it. Even the other shoe you were talking about, that high. When I saw it, woo! I almost paid for the shoe, but let me show you the dress first. Look at it. It's of two colors.
Wow, I love this color.
Let's check the blue. Let's check. breeze will blow. Wow. Let us put it in the car so we can pay for it. Let me put it in the car and pay for it. Already we need to pay for it. Wow. But this one will just go to their shop so you can test it. You know the other store is in Italy, it's Italian shop. So you just go to the shop later, test it. Yes. Yeah, the moment we leave here, hope we are going for lunch. Eh?
Okay, anyone?
We'll leave here, we'll go for lunch then.
After the lunch.
Then we'll go straight to the shop.
Okay. I think that is okay.
I'm very happy I have you. I'm very happy I have you. I was almost lamenting when I'm in the office all the time I see your friends. Thank God I have you. So babe,
Yeah, only.
huh? Ah, to go and see your father. That would be nice. Babe, do you know I've been thinking about telling you this. I don't know. I said let me wait a little bit, let me not be too rush. Because I think it is proper for the respect I have for your dad, it is proper I have to now make it official. It is not good, it will not be proper that your father will not come and see for himself or hear from outsiders that I am going out with his daughter and I didn't think me fit to come and let him know.
Yeah, I know it's going to surprise him. The same thing, I know he will not take any action. I know my father going to make do this.
Yeah, he has been my father as well. He has been my father.
Yeah.
So what about after work on Friday? I know that is always at home on Friday. Doesn't go to meetings. How about that? After work?
It's okay. If you're okay with that. I'm not busy after work.
No, how can I be busy with how can I be busy with something like that? Oh, so that let us see immediately after work we'll go straight to your house. So I will make it official. I'll also see Daddy's West.
That's okay.
Let us play a little.
Sit down. Daddy. Daddy.
Very good. Manager.
Vamos a.
Ini aye na.
Vamos a. Vamos a. Vamos a.
Wala ni.
Vamos a.
Kere to we na.
Vamos a.
Oro we ya we o enu ati e. Amage.
Vamos a.
Oyo.
Vamos a. Vamos a.
Amage we there. I hope there's no.
El problema es esa, vamos.
Ingula yo. Company wo.
Company man, we are doing great, sir.
Okay, you want come on. I hope.
Everything is okay, sir.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
Okay.
Sir. Vamos a.
Oh, we got that. Easy we. I'm a wagon. Maybe we are going to do in a way, you understand. Man, I will go on. When you be here, what we tea. Or go and go there where you have money. Okay. If you will,
Daddy. Boy.
Katie. Oh, yo. Oh, Mama, oh, I there. This is why we been out.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, you were. Oh, Mama, no, I didn't know. Oh, yo.
Boy. Yes, sir.
Ah, will get in again. A new contract here.
Daddy. Daddy, you are looking beautiful today, eh?
I'm always a toy. Kayari over all the saga. You. Yeah, I say you'll see. Only communion by Kenny had 1 year every day by the nearly communion. On my Saturday soup.
Thank you.
Martins,
Sir?
really, now.
Yes, sir.
Daddy. I love my daddy.
Oh, no, power. I love it, daddy, love it. Manager.
Sir? Everything is fine, sir. Sir.
That's you. Daddy.
You knew when I got a corner again.
Daddy. You know you are telling me to. Contore.
Yes, man, when I hear me, we manager, or we come anywhere we see you, because a mono.
Daddy.
Yeah, good boy.
Yeah.
May you manage them, Umakwe. What you have for?
I only daddy.
Doesn't mean.
What is your daughter? Yeah. Daddy.
Oh. Era un ego avant pas voyer. Donc pas mettre sangbe. Ita. Iwe igimi e fi me don. Even when my instincts never tell me lies. Any oye?
Sir.
Uguazo.
Where's it, daddy?
Akin, Maragua.
I want to have a moment.
We can. My boy, it's my song, you know?